Hey, it's Stan Miller with StoryKate, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a process that will help you keep your career goals alive and moving forward. If you find this valuable, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and request notifications for more content. If you're like most people, each year you set or revise career goals at the beginning of the year. And usually by March, you've all but forgotten or abandoned those goals. You ever wonder why? As a mentor, my experience suggests there are 3 common reasons why we are quick to abandon our goals. The first is we prioritize the big picture outcome over the steps that it takes to actually reach our goals. We fall in love with big ideas until we reach a roadblock or until we actually realize that knowledge and mastery are required to help bring that big idea to life. The second reason we abandon our goals is we're simply unwilling to pivot. We stay entirely too attached to our original vision, unwilling to compromise when new information is uncovered. Basically, we struggle to let go of our original expectation. The third reason is we fail to track and measure progress. Let's face it, we rarely reach our goals by brute force. If you want to make progress, you'll have to keep yourself on track, and if you're not managing your career, someone else is. As someone who has faced the same challenges as you, I'm going to share a proven methodology that has kept my goals alive, even when times get tough. The process assumes that you've created a goal. And the golden rule is you have to keep track of your progress, so you need to write it down. I've developed 4 criteria designed to help you document and establish a path to achieve your career goals. For simplicity, let's just call it the 4 E's. The process begins with your goal, so write it down. The first E is education. Build a list of what educational background you need to reach your career goal. Think about formal training, e-learning, or certifications. Bullet this list. The second E is experience. What experience do you need to achieve your goal? How can you leverage past experience to get you closer to that goal? And what experience do you have today that is transferable? The third E is exposure. Explore who you can get to know that may be able to help you achieve your goal. Those relationships can exist internally or externally to your organization. The list can include networking events, industry experts, or executive sponsors. Now that you have your education, experience, and exposure defined, you have to measure your progress by documenting evidence in these areas. Simply add evidence as a 4th subcategory under each of the 3 E's and list out your proof. Evidence provides the proof that you are making progress or not. Of course, as the goal changes, you add or subtract from the list. Documenting your career goals using the 4 E's should clearly lay out steps you can easily follow, allow you to pivot, and enable you to measure your progress along the way. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of our new videos. We look forward to helping you tell your story.